Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the lower oven bake tube in your double oven gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread all of the screws securing the lower rear access panel. Lift the panel up and out to remove. Now lift up the front of the appliance and support it in the center. Unthread the 2 lower screws, securing the door retaining brackets to the frame. Open the door and unthread the upper screws securing the brackets. Rotate the hinge locks back. Loosen the brackets and use tape to help secure them to the door. Now partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. Remove the support and lower the appliance. Remove the oven racks. Slide the bake burner tube cover to the left and lift up to remove. Unthread the wing nut and remove the shields. Unthread the screws securing the orifice cover and remove the cover. Next, unthread the burner tube mounting screw. Now slide the burner assembly to the right and lift up the front of the tube to detach. Use a 15/16" socket to unthread the nut securing the bake tube to the mounting bracket. Returning to the rear of the appliance, unthread the 3 screws to release the lower access covers. You can use a 5/8" wrench or an adjustable wrench to unthread the nut securing the bake tube to the safety valve. Remove the old tube. This may require some effort to free the orifice fitting from the mounting bracket. Install the new lower oven bake tube by inserting the end with the orifice through the rear of the oven and positioning the end in the mounting bracket. Insert the opposite end into the safety valve, then thread the nut. Be careful not to damage the tube by over-tightening the nut. Confirm that the orifice end is fully seated in the mounting bracket, then thread the nut to secure. Again, avoid over-tightening. Realign the burner tube on the orifice as you insert the tube's front tab into the slot in the base. Slide the assembly to the left. Then thread the burner tube mounting screw. Reposition the orifice cover and secure it with the screw. Realign the shields, then thread the wing nut. Reposition the bake burner cover and slide it to the right to lock it into place. Replace the oven racks. Support the front of the range, then reinstall the door by inserting the hinges into the hinge slots. Reposition the retaining brackets and rotate the hinge locks forward. Rethread the upper screws to secure the brackets. Close the door and thread the 2 lower screws to fully secure the retaining brackets. Remove the support and lower the range. Align the access covers and secure them with the screws. Reposition the rear access panel. Thread and tighten the screws to secure. With the repair completed, turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in, or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.